Hey there, Nicki here. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about starting your own art-based business. I launched a program a few months ago and I realized I haven't really introduced it here or talked to you about what I designed, why I created what I've created, and how I can help you achieve your goals if you have been painting with me and creating art and you're ready to start sharing and selling your art. Or maybe you're not sure if your art's ready and you have this passion and this goal for starting to make money from your art. I've got you. I've designed this really beautiful experience where I'm going to share with you everything I've learned over the last 12 years. I'm able to whittle down the important stuff, help you through the process of creating an art-based business that supports you, supports your goals, helps you achieve whatever it is that you are looking to create in your own experience. It's called Life You Design. I created it so that it is a 12-month long program where I provide you with bi-weekly goals, insights, worksheets, and help you make decisions that are best for you. We also come together in a live training experience where I share with you very practical things that you should think about and develop in your business, as well as creating that really healthy, positive mindset that I think is the key to creating an art-based business that makes you feel happy, that helps you grow, not only as an artist, but even as an entrepreneur, and helps fulfill some personal goals, creating a lifestyle and a life that you design. I know when you're first starting out, it's really easy to feel overwhelmed, not knowing especially how to get started. I feel like that's what holds most of us back. Whether it's, wanting to start making art and not knowing where to get started, that can hold you back. The same applies to starting an art-based business, and even just from selling your art, whether it's not a business that you want to create, but just wanting to start to sell your art, not knowing where to start can often hold you back. I know what it's like to think, can I really make money from my art? Am I ready? Is my art ready? I'm here to tell you, yes, if you have that passion and you're thinking about it, it means you are there. Maybe you're not quite there. That's my job. I will help you get quite there. But maybe you're not quite there and you're thinking about it and that's something that has been on your mind and a goal that you wanted to achieve, then you're ready. Your art might still need work, or maybe your art is ready, but you just don't have the practical techniques and application skills that you need. For instance, maybe you don't know how to price your art, or whether you need a website or how to get started. And maybe it's mindset stuff that you need to work through and thinking about, am I good enough? Maybe even just holding the title of artist is something that you're struggling with. The way that I developed this program, it's to help you with everything. I firmly believe that we all have different goals. We all come to the table with different skills at different points of our lives. We're at different ages. And what's right for me may not be what's right for you. And I'm not here to tell you this is what you should be doing. I'm here to guide you so that you can achieve your goals and help you save a bit of frustration, a bit of time, and make the process create more freedom and more positivity in the process of starting to sell your art. I also know what it's like to push through that fear of starting to sell your art and starting to share it, and what that feels when you maybe put it out on social media for everyone to observe and critique and to experience. I still feel like that sometimes as artists, especially when we're painting and drawing and sharing what we've created. We're often sharing a part of us that is very personal and something that is going to be put out there for everyone to experience and to critique and to maybe have opinions about. But I will tell you that there are people out there who want to celebrate you and celebrate your art and who envy your passion and talent and creativity and will buy your art. That's what I want you to focus on. And those are the mind shift tools and resets that I will help you with, because it takes both sides of the brain, the cerebral part and also the creative artistic part. And it's creating that experience that best suits you and your goals and what you want to achieve. I'm here for it. So Life You Design is a 12-month program. This program is very mindfully designed, and it is a complete system to help you figure out things like finding your niche, Where are your art buyers? What type of art are you creating? What kind of story are you sharing with your art? What's best for you in terms of how to sell it, whether it's online or offline, and how to scale your business over time so you have more time, freedom, and strong revenue streams. I always say I'm as equally artistic as I am entrepreneurial or business minded, and I want that for you. And I'm not here to tell you this is how you should do it, this is the system you need to build, and in 30 days you will achieve X amount of sales, X amount of dollars, and everything will be fantastic. This is not the program if that's what you're looking for. If you are looking for guidance to help you personally figure out the type of lifestyle you want to create through selling your art and the experience that you want to have, then this is for you. So when you join Life You Design, you'll get 12 months worth of bi-weekly emails, I call them notes, where I'll deliver them directly to your email inbox so you keep everything forever. They will be filled with stories that I'll share of my experiences, advice, prompts. Some will have PDFs and workbooks, and will help you start to design the experience that you want to create with selling your art and making money from your art. Now, this next part's really fun. I just upped this to every month. Once a month, as long as you're in the program, and you can pay monthly or you can pay annually, whatever suits your budget. I just want you to get started. Every month, I am going to host a 1-hour live training and question and answer. So the first part of our live, I am training you on systems and processes and things that I recommend that you look at and do and implement. And again, recommendations. I get you to make notes and to think about what it is that you really want to implement and experience. Then we go through a series of question and answers so that you can see what other people are building and creating to get even more ideas for what's possible. There isn't a better time to be an artist than now. Your reach is worldwide. You have an opportunity to sell your art in so many different ways, creating multiple revenue streams and really building a foundation for your art-based business that serves you, that is supportive, collaborative, fun, and really exciting. Through the process, you'll get a clear roadmap for what you have to create and build. We're going to work on collection launches and experience the whole gamut when it comes to online marketing as well as offline marketing too. Throughout the process, I have bonuses for you. I want you to understand color trends and how that applies to your artwork so that I can support your art practice. I have PDFs and ebooks that help you through everything when it comes to setting up an online business, how to market, how to create Instagram posts, how to support you so that you have all of the knowledge that you need in order to scale your business as large as you dream of, or really just hone in on one specific format, one specific path for how you want to sell your art and really enjoy it, do it well, and have it be fulfilling. And I think most importantly is you'll never be alone. I have leaned into coaching and mentoring these last few years and really understood what it meant to me to have someone who could support me, especially in the early days when I really didn't know what path I wanted to take, or I was building all of my skills, whether it was how to build a website or how to create graphics or how to make art and sell that art. What was really important was having the support system that I had in place for the moments where I wasn't sure and I needed a bit more help. I want that for you, and I want to be able to help you through those moments, because it's in those moments that we push through at barriers, maybe blockages that we have that really help take us to the next level. So I am here for you every step of the way. So I briefly mentioned that you can join monthly or you can join annually. The monthly fee is $29 a month. It is the cost of buying a few new art supplies a month. And in that month, you'll have a few different notes that you'll be able to work through with different prompts and PDFs. You'll get some freebies that I designed them specifically to help you in your art practice and to get started with your art-based business. Or you can save even more and have a bigger experience. For $299 a month, you get 2 months free, plus you get my huge ultimate 4-part ultimate bundle where I help artists with the playbook for how to set up your art business, how to create both online, offline systems, how to create a 30-day content scheduling for Instagram, and so many things. It has become a beast of a resource, and one that I'm really excited to help get into more artists' hands so that you can be empowered with the feeling that you feel when you sell some art and you make a living from your art and you become that thriving artist that I had a desire to become when I first started Life I Design, and want that same for you. So I know starting to sell your art and starting an art-based business can be overwhelming. But here's the truth. You don't need to have it all figured out to get started. You really truly can take it step by step as you're making your art and as you're implementing slowly. That's why I decided to make it a 12-month program. I am a firm believer in goal setting and allowing yourself time to implement. Every 2 weeks, you will have a new email delivered directly to your inbox. All the information is yours to keep forever. You will go through the exercises, the prompts. You'll be able to check things off as you go. Join the lives with any questions that you're experiencing along the way, and the process will unfold as it needs to in due time, setting you up for success and allowing you to hit your goals. And that's exactly what a life you design gives you. So if you're ready to stop wondering what if and start building a beautiful art-based business that you're proud of, that supports you, and that allows you to create some success and helps you make money doing what you love, then join me inside Life You Design today. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Send me an email at Nicki@lifeidesign.com. Let me know where you are at, and I cannot wait to help you get started. So enrollment's always open. The program is here for you whenever you're ready and you need it. I do have some fun bonuses that I'm offering to you if you sign up sooner rather than later. And I don't want you to miss out on our next live session together. It gives you an opportunity to meet some fellow artists, hear other people's story, and give you some insight that I don't share anywhere else except for my very intimate VIP group of Life You Design members. I am so excited to see what you create and help you every step of the way. I'll see you inside Life You Design.